Our next presenter is Abigail Schwarz, who is a doctoral student in the Neuroscience Graduate Interdisciplinary Program. Abigail, you have the floor.
.5% of the US adult population suffers from chronic pain. The most common treatment for this are opioid medications, which are effective at relieving pain, but also incredibly addictive. Because of this, more individuals are turning to cannabis in order to manage their chronic pain. Now, cannabis has a lot of different chemicals in it, and I'm going to talk about one of those today called beta-caryophyllene, or BCP. Why is it important to find alternatives to opioid-based pain therapies? I mentioned they're addictive, but they can also be fatal. More than 5 people lose their lives every day from opioid overdose in Arizona alone. Our lab is asking the question, can the cannabis terpene, BCP, be used in conjunction with opioid medications in order to create safer and more effective pain therapies? Now, to do this, we poke mouse feet. Now, this typically doesn't bother the mouse, but if you or someone you know has gone through chemotherapy, you know that tactile stimuli can become painful, and it's the same for our mice. After our mice get chemotherapy, we'll give them the opioid drug morphine, which causes pain relief. We tried giving them the cannabis terpene, BCP, which caused a similar level of pain relief to that of the morphine. We found that when we combined the two, the mice had enhanced pain therapy more than either drug alone. Now, this is exciting, but we needed to determine if BCP was rewarding and therefore potentially addictive. To do this, we allowed the mice to explore 2 rooms. Typically, they don't care which room they're in, but if we introduce an opioid, the mouse will spend more of their time in that room because it's rewarding. However, when we gave them the terpene BCP, the mouse spent most of the time in the opposite room, showing that it is aversive. When we combined both the opioid and BCP, the mouse no longer had a preference between rooms, showing that this combination decreased the reward of the opioid, the aversion of the BCP, leading to better overall pain therapy. To summarize, BCP alone causes pain relief. Combining it with opioids led to increased pain relief more than either drug alone, decreased the addiction potential of the opioid, leading to safer and more effective pain therapies. Now, I'm so excited to share this work with you all, but this isn't stopping opioid overdoses from happening today. I want to mention one more drug, naloxone, which can reverse opioid overdoses, and I have pamphlets with information about organizations around Tucson that will provide free naloxone to you. So please take one of those on your way out, and thank you all so much for your time.